Assembly exploded view. How do I create an exploded view manually? Let's see with the following case. This is an assembly model with constraints. Click the exploded view command. Click Add a step. Select a component, then drag the coordinate axis to a suitable position. Continuously add the step, pick another component, then move it to a desired position. Repeat this operation for other components. Add a step, pick the component, and then drag the coordinate axis to move it. Do it one by one. Add step 4. Last, add step 5. So now, all of the components have been moved to a different position. Click OK to finish. In the Assembly Manager, click the Configuration folder. Double-click to turn off or on the exploded view for checking.